In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload video to Canva. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to bring your own video files into Canva so you can edit them, add text, and include them in your designs without any confusion. Let's start from the Canva home screen. Once you're logged in and on the main dashboard, open either an existing design or create a new one, depending on what you're working on. You can upload a video before you start designing, but it's usually easier to upload it directly inside the design you'll be using it in, so everything is in one place. Inside your design, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You should see a vertical panel with different options like elements, text, and more. In that panel, you'll find the option labeled Uploads. Go ahead and click on Uploads. This is where Canva stores all the media you've added to your account, including images, audio, and videos. Once you're in the Upload section, look for a button that says Upload Files. Click on Upload Files, and a file browser window from your computer or device will pop up. Here, you can navigate through your folders to find the video you want to use. Take a moment to make sure you select the correct file, especially if you have multiple versions of a video. When you found it, click on the file once to highlight it, and then confirm the selection, usually by clicking Open or the equivalent button on your device. As soon as you do this, Canva will start uploading your video. You'll see a small progress bar or indicator, typically right on the thumbnail of the video in the Uploads panel. The upload time can vary depending on your internet speed and the size of the file, so if it's a large video, give it a moment to finish. While the upload is in progress, avoid closing the browser tab or turning off your internet connection so the process doesn't get interrupted. Once the progress bar reaches 100% and you see a clear thumbnail with no loading icon, your video has been successfully uploaded. From there, you can simply click on the video thumbnail or drag and drop it onto your design canvas. Canva will place the video directly into your project, and you're ready to start trimming, resizing, or adding text and other design elements on top. And that's all there is to it. You clicked on Uploads, clicked on Upload Files, and followed the on-screen prompts to bring your video into Canva.